Shubor na Snem jong San Hima.
Ke Seinraij Higher Secondary School Jowai ha ka khandai tarik unok pra arajar arpusau kala yo ban rakhi ke Diamond Jubilee lani ke jingdap Henry Snem ke jingya lenti bar ke jing shakri jong ke Skul ha ka puli puthi na do bala sengya ka house Snem khat khandai spa Henry pusau Hagani Skil don lang ka Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, in charge DSEO West Jingiaroh Hills, kakong Syiem kabala longru kum kakong san, haringkat ke District Mission Coordinator West Jingiaroh Hills District kakong M Lakyang kum kesembut kong san. Haba ajing keren hagani Skil ni kalyang kakong san kakong Syiem kala yaro bat kala perto ye jing ajing shakri jong ni Skul na benta ban kenteo ye puli puthi jong ki khna ki badan najan bat najingai. Haba keren Ayman Syiem nakalyang ka kong Syiem kalaong kalaway jong ke imlang kasalang ke district ke jelabat ke pateng mandangwan la pensyong nong rim lengba ki dong hikai ke berapun wandur bat saindur ke jing em jong way pakaway ki kena Skul. Syusuk kala penslor ki kena Skul bakin kit kia ki jing puli jong ki kaptam hagum gani ke juk jong ke jing ele bat ke jing dang jing start lani kata ke science and technology ke don kamha ki kena bakin treshitom. Hagani ka skile don langru kinong ilambat kinong kit Kynjoh ka Seinraij Jowai ki bakin thum na do president uba Hercules Toy, General Secretary Arwat ki Sumer, upator Raymond Nartiang, head teacher Ram Paswet kinong hikai ki kena Skul ki dikhot ka school managing committee na lor ki way. Yagani ka skile pen po pen peng ru di jing sha Jingiaroh ki bela shimbenta di kena Skul, but yagani ka jing lekmen Diamond Jubilee an penkot ha ka khat way tarik unok pra.
A big round of applause.
Teachers are a beacon of light. So you are the ones who will be shaping and molding the lives of the students in your institution. They will be what they will be based on your shaping, your molding them through your teachings in the institution. So as I've said, Jubilee is the time where we celebrate and rejoice. Jubilee is also a time for rejoicing, remembering everything that has gone back, remembering the past, and also celebrating and rejoicing in what is yet to come. We should have a vision, we should have a mission as to what is to be done from now onwards. What are your vision and what is your mission from now onwards? And I believe that as an institution, our vision, our mission will be quality education. And of course, as Principal Madam has said, the teachers have been, paid very less. They were not given the benefits that other teachers are getting. I'm sorry to say, on my part, I cannot do anything, but yes, your grievances will be put up, will be made heard to the higher authorities. And this is not a new thing. This issue has been talked about every now and then, and the government also is trying their level best to do something for the teachers. So let's hope and pray that the government will have some compassion on the deficit teachers and the deficit pattern teachers so that you will be able to gain some benefits by being a teacher. Of course, being a teacher is not an easy job, especially in these days. And my dear students, as students also, you have a very tough, you have a very competitive world where we all know that we are living in a time of science and technology. your life at this time is so competitive. You have to compete with one another in order to be a better person, or to say a best person. So my dear students, you have to work hard, you have to study hard, especially listen carefully to what your teachers taught you in the classrooms. That is very, very important. And my dear teachers, I would also request you to kindly make the students understand the foundation and the basic concepts of education in whatever subject you are teaching, be it English, be it Khasi, be it maths, science, social science, whatever subject. Let your students understand the concept first. Because if the students do not understand the concept of the subject, they will find it very difficult in the later years.
We really feel grateful to those members of Seinraij of those times who are taking the pain and leave no stone unturned to fulfill their vision to spread education among the people living in this area. So in the year 1964, they had started with ME section. Now we call it the upper primary section. And we are very grateful to God because we still have the founder member, Sir, I would say, Mawmer. He is a founder member and the head teacher at the time when they started the school in the year 1964. He is a retired inspector of school, Mawmer. So, with their efforts, with the efforts and the sacrifices made by those members of those days, I just feel that without their efforts, without their sacrifices, I would not have been here. Or I would say that my school will not have become as it is today. So the entire school community feel grateful to those members. And it is in the year 1970, our school started with a primary section, which we late Balan Lakian as its head teacher. It was during that period, ma'am, we don't have a school building, and the school was run at Jowai. And only in the year 1969, when Warnewel Chalam donated generously a plot of land and a Sam-type building, where Seinraij is now standing there at Lompredi, then the school from Lompredi was shifted to that building. And after a few years, when we start our primary section, and in the year 1984, under the headmaster of my late Syiem, a school was upgraded to high school. Now we call it a secondary section. So he was really a very daring, I would say, he really spared his time, his effort in contributing towards the development of our high school section, what is now, as I said, we call it a secondary section.